This one was?
Yeah, golf. See this picture right here? Yeah. Duplicate this for me. Hold it up, and I'm going to stand right here. I want to get this.
Oh, they put the cannon in the middle of this one, didn't they?
Yeah, I think 37 millimeter. The engine's in back.
Yeah. Only other time I think I've seen one of these at the Air Force Museum in Dayton. I think we saw one. Oh, really? That's awesome.
You last one?
Yeah.
They should have. Didn't they have Chuck Yeager's playing in the Dayton, Ohio?
He's doing a roundabout around here. Oh, they're getting ready to pull this guy out.
Oh.
He's gonna fly, I bet.
Is there somebody in there?
No. Well, it's tall. No, is there? No, it's just.
Dad, are you able to airdrop pictures with that? Dad?
So we're gonna walk around the TBM. This thing's a monster.
Dad, she's holding a bomb.
She's the boss.
She has a bomb.
Yeah, she does.
Isn't that a nuclear bomb?
No, no, I think this is pre-nukes.
Oh, she's arming the.
She's doing something.
She's arming.
Yes, she is. This is a big boy.
Oh, Dad, here's the bomb bay.
Yep, that's where they put the torpedoes. Is it empty? Let's see what's in here.
Is the baggage? Oh, what the?
We got crew compartment. What exactly do the guys do in here? They can see out the back.
Oh, well, there's the turret. Wait, there's a seat there in the turret.
Oh, there is a seat. Yeah. You know what? The crew can come from the back seat down in through here. That's cool.
He's wrong. He thought there was a door. Dude,
I always thought
You can seat in that. You can sit it. Look,
you
he can
can
go
get it?
all the way up to the back seat of that thing. There's a.
I didn't know this area was there. I thought this was like a baggage compartment.
This thing is
And I
just
thought
massive.
that was like a baggage compartment.
Yeah, no, not so much. They actually carried a crew of guys in there.
Why do you need that much guys?
That many guys?
Yeah, that many. Why do you need that many guys?
I don't know. Let's ask the folks in internet land. Yeah,
I think it might have had a Stinger gun out the back, too.
there's a window.
There's a window, and I think that was a Stinger. There's a seat there, there's a seat there,
So they.
and then there's a seat there and a seat there. So that could carry 4 guys.
Wow.
This weekend a wedding?
Yeah.
Just like our plane.
Well, we should see it.
Yeah, but it was a little bit faster.
What we got under here? Oh, we got ourselves a little torpedo. A big one.
What? Is that live?
No, I don't think so. I hope not.
Imagine if I touch it. Boom!
Yeah, that wouldn't be fun for us. Because I'm standing next to you.
I would say detonating in 3 seconds.
Right cyclone.
Oh, the engine. So this would be like a military transport, bud.
No entry,
Yeah, you can look there though.
Wait a minute. Let this fly.
It's air conditioned too. Woo! A little warm in here, huh? Hydraulics and. So This is their flap lever for their. It's a hydraulic lever.
What's that up there?
Where?
What's that? Like, why is there a
The
hatch
window?
there? Yeah, why is there a hatch there?
Probably either emergency exit or probably gets hot in here in the summer too. This one's got a couple dual Garmins in it.
They flew these in the day.
Yep. Yep. Here comes Memphis Belle.
Oh, boy, that cloud! Was it the girl wearing a red dress?
I think on the other side, isn't it? Two different colors. That's the one that was in the movie.
Oh, look at that. Oh, the guns are even in there. Check it out. Oh, look at these
You got any questions, Blaine?
What's that? Sweaty in the cockpit. Okay. Hi there. Hi.
What'd you say? You get sweaty in the cockpit?
If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Tell you all about the plane and
Well,
history.
okay, well, why don't you give us a little overview? Sure. Hey, all right. So this is our.
She's got a little rumble to her.
Oh, you ought to see it when she's sitting right here in front of you, heading right towards you.
Yeah.
I had it, got a nice picture of it.
You feel self-conscious. You like the show? Is it a good show? I don't even feel any air coming from those guys. Oh, now I do. Where? That's the nose gunner, isn't it?
No, that's the bombardier.
That's a Norton bomb
They
site.
share
Oh.
a lot.
Kid knows more about the airplanes than I do. Oh, he does.
Fantastic.
Wait, he was studying. I went to bed last night. I'm like, what are you watching? He's just watching stuff on B-17s.
That's nice.
Yeah. I like. It's awesome, buddy. So Blaine's giving me a lesson on stuff I should have probably already known. So that's where the bombs. I thought he sat in the back.
No, Norton, the bomb
So the bomb site is up front.
Yeah, it was state-of-the-art technology in World War II. That actually had an explosive charge.
He would take over the flight control.
When he locked in, he controlled.
He was controlling the plane.
Yeah. So in other words, if he had it correct left-right, he had.
Yeah, he did it.
Then there was an explosive charge attached to that.
If it fell out or something?
If the plane had to be abandoned, they could destroy that, so that site wouldn't get into German hands,
Right.
or Japanese hands.
That's cool.
That's how
Oh,
critical
yeah.
it was.
Well,
Of course, they said they could drop.
you think about how high they were when they made these drops. It's pretty impressive you're hitting a target like that. See if Mom will pay you for, or let us buy a ride on the Memphis Belle. Hey, Mom. We want to ride on the Memphis Belle. It's only $450 for the cheap seats and $650 if we want to ride up
What
front.
is that? Where all those tents are?
Down there.
Maybe next time we'll do that.
Yeah, they didn't have that much yesterday.
$1,300 on a ride. Because if we're going to do it, you might as well get the good seats.
After I go to my vehicle,
Right?
and then screw down.
Yeah, they look good. You guys are sticking some money into them.
The only thing that gets me is how does he get out of the plane? You can't get out of the plane with a parachute.
Oh, the back guy. Yeah, how's the guy in the back seat get out?
Is this yours?
I'll have to
Oh yeah, because he's gonna have to crawl up in the front.
Stephen Curtis.
Hello, Stephen Curtis. How are you?
You recognize the name?
From Curtis Curtis?
Curtis Curtis, my third cousin.
How about that? Recognize the hat? From the museum. Joe.
So you're from the museum. You doing restoration work?
Well, this was restored, but not by us.
You have one there now.
No, I'm with a group in Iowa.
Can they stop doing that? It makes me be worried. That
Feel like we're getting attacked?
I feel like North Korea's launching a nuke.
No, they're simulating probably a Pearl Harbor invasion. They're all getting ready to take off over there. Here's the Japanese Zero. He's attacking. They're doing a simulated Pearl Harbor attack.
Are they actually gonna drop some?
Yeah, he might. No.
Oh, there's a bomb under there.
Yeah.
I've seen a lot like that.
Lower it down. This one here basically does the same thing. You can take that off just like that, lower it straight up.
I might.
You can take one if you want them, they're free. And if you promise to build one of these, they're free. But you gotta say you're gonna build it. But they're free. I mean,
That's a big commitment.
You wanna build one of these?
Yeah, but I don't think I have the parts to do it.
Buddy, all the parts are here.
They're in the
box,
they're
and you have
models.
Your dad help you out.
Oh.
It's a model, and you can take it home and build it. And you and your dad, and they're free. They don't cost you a dime. Want to build one? All right, well, have fun with it. All right.
Thank you.
You're more than welcome.
Did you say thank you?
Thanks.
Yeah. Have a good day.
You too.
Now we're getting in the Jet A. We have some more RC ones.
Oh, that's a jet-powered RC.
That's got a regular turbine in it.
Wow.
Up 200.
Wow.
Flew it last weekend down in Olean.
Is that
Really?
ever retracted easier?
Oh yeah. Oh yes, it does.
Wow. I bet you that thing hauls. Is it hard to control them or
No.
no?
You better have your A game on,
Oh yeah.
without a doubt.
Right. Wow.
Is there any
You gotta have
like?
your A game for all this stuff.
Oh right. Or it's gonna cost
Fly or die.
time and money.
I look at it as fly or die.
Yeah, right.
Is there like a camera on the plane?
No.
Not that one.
There's no camera on it. No.
Look at that little cub. You can go in it from that side though.
Yeah, I'm not gonna waste any time. Let's quickly go to the bathroom and then leave. Because
Okay.
I don't want to waste any time because I don't want to be trapped here for like 5 hours.
Yeah, me either.
I don't want to spend the night in one of these Russian tents.
All right. It's a deal.
I kind of feel bad for the Americans that have to act out the Russians.
Do ya?
Yeah.
Where's I think there's some Johns over here.
Because isn't that kind of symbolizing hate for their country when they're
No.
enemies?
No, it's just
Yep, it's even written in Russian.
yeah.
Okay, I attempted and that's it. They said there's a Russian aircraft. There's a ton of them.
Let's go around
Oh,
this
we
way.
got America now.
See the old tents. See those tents? Everybody's locked and loaded. Oil pressure's good.
Water bottle just fell.
Alright. Stay in ground effect here for a second. Build up airspeed. There we go. Just want to get off the ground quick in grass, and then kind of fly at 25 feet or so.
Geneseo traffic, hypercab 26057. We're going to depart from runway 23 at
Get a shot of that down there, Blaine.
Geneseo.
Cool. There's your steerman on downwind.